Hello everyone. I'm going to do a quick video on a new product that I'm offering. My main products of course are knives, but the importance of knife ownership is to keep it sharp and keep it honed. It's much safer than working with a dull knife. What I came up with is some sharpening steels, which you can use to finish honing your edge after you've used an aggressive sharpener, or these can also be used to maintain your edge. Every time you use your knife, you can work it on the steel and keep the edge up. I'm making three different types. The first type is it's a flat sharpener, about 1 inch wide, 6 inches long. I'm making them out of D2 steel, and the reason why I picked D2 steel is because of the chromium and vanadium that's in the mix of the steel makeup. It's also a steel that has very high wear resistance and has a high hardness to it, which is good for a sharpening steel. So this one is flat on both sides, of course, and I've radiused the edges here so you can actually use it like a butcher steel. That's one of them. The other one is a smaller version of that. This one's 3/4 inch wide, 4.5 inches long. This would be something you could take into the field. You can take the larger one too, but this one's a little bit smaller to put in a kit, put in your pack, put in your pocket, wherever you want to carry it. Same thing, D2 steel, and same method of using it as that, only in a smaller size. The third one is just a standard round sharpening steel, also of D2 round stock. What I've done with these is I've done a very low temper on them to keep the hardness level up. So they're going to be have a high hardness on them, which will help with sharpening just about any steel. I've used it on steels from 1095, 01, A2, S30V, 3V, CPM 154, and they all, it worked out on all of those. But my main reason for this video is to demonstrate how to use these. This one's self-explanatory. If you ever use the butcher steel, it's pretty common how you use one of these. And you just start here near the plunge line, go down just like that. And the one important thing about using any type of sharpener is knowing your edge geometry and using the proper angle and technique when you're sharpening. Now with these flat sharpeners, I'm going to show you on a large sharpener. It's going to be exactly the same on the smaller one. You can use this just like you would a flat stone. Lay it like that and just sharpen this way. You can flip it over and go this way, or if you want, you can do it like this. Down this side, go over on this side. The only problem with that is it's when you're on this side, it's tough to know with your the angle you're using on the edge. So I really prefer to use it like this when you're using the flat. When you want to use the sides, it's just like the butcher steel. You can do it two ways. You can do it this way, like that, same as the flat, or you can go like this, down this side, and come over here and do this side. Now when you're using this, you don't need to use a lot of pressure on it. It's not necessary. You get your edge up to, on your coarse abrasive that you're using, get your burr on it. You use this to remove the burr and smooth the edge out, and you will have a very sharp knife in the end. So that's a quick video on using these steels. They will be offered in the online store on my website as soon as I get some available. Just keep an eye out for it. Check the website or check the online store for availability. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.